everybody, Taco Tech Tips here. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Guan Guan video capture card, aka generic capture card of the week. Comes in this brown box. Let's open it up. In the box, we're getting the capture card right here. A driver's disc. Never insert this. You will never need this. It probably has some nasty malware or rootkit. Throw that out. Got some toilet paper, aka a user manual. If you will ever use this, I don't know. In the bathroom, maybe. Throw this ugly brown box away. So now we'll look at the capture card itself. It's wrong way. It is a HD, well, supposedly HD video capture card, and literally all it is a video capture card. It does not capture audio. It was tested with gameplay. It was tested in a few different scenarios. Just did not want to capture any audio. There's just no way for this thing to capture audio. There's that. There's HDMI port there. There's the, it's USB 3. It does work decently well at capturing video, but you're going to be let down if you buy this to record gameplays. Will not be returning it as it came from China, so I don't know how I would even go about returning this without paying more than I paid for this. Paid 18 bucks for this. So if you want to use this maybe with DSLR or something, then great. I wouldn't use it to capture gameplay. Get an Elgato. Gotta pay extra for quality. That's really it. This is available if for some reason you would actually want this thing. I don't know why you'd want it at all, to be honest. But it's out there. That's all for now. Please like and subscribe, and see you next time.